Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Printify to manage mockups and product pricing step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Printify website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as your credentials are authenticated. Once logged in, you will arrive at the Printify dashboard. From the dashboard, you can manage your products and mockups. To adjust product pricing, navigate to the My Products section. Select the product you wish to edit from your list. Click on the product to view its details. Here, you can update mockups and pricing information as needed. Make sure to save any changes you make. After making your adjustments, you can preview how your product will appear. When satisfied, proceed to manage additional products or log out. To log out, click on your account icon in the top right corner. Finally, select Log Out from the drop-down menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.